Romed PE gloves, good and economical gloves. The PE gloves are most often used for light-duty tasks that require frequent glove changes. This glove has a loose fit design for easy on and off applications and is especially useful in food service lines, daily counters and other high volume applications. Our clear PE gloves are available in high density. The structure of these gloves is embossed. The packing is 100 pieces in a polybag and there are 100 polybags in an export carton. Other PE products which we can supply you are visitor coats, shoe covers, sleeve covers, aprons, pillow covers, mattress covers. We can offer you competitive prices. Kindly send us your inquiry. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice weekend.